Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use iOS 26 Photos app features on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on phone. One big change in iOS 26 is smart folders. You can now automatically organize your photos by people, place, or objects. Just tap Albums and then Smart Folder and choose the filters you want, like Magic for keeping your library neat. Next, check out Live Text Improvements. Tap on any photos with text, and iOS 26 lets you copy, translate, or even search the text right from the image. Perfect for notes, signs, or documents. iOS 26 also introduced improved editing tools. Open the photo, tap Edit, and you will find new filters, AI enhanced adjustments, and better retouching tools. You can fix lighting, color, and even remove small objects easily. So that's it. Smart folders, live text, improve editing, duplicate detection, memories, and private sharing. iOS 26 photos make your photos smarter and more fun. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.